In this video, I'm gonna show you how to open a long position using an ascending triangle and how to open a short position using a descending triangle. Hello and welcome guys to another video. I hope y'all doing great. Okay, we have BTC USDT 15 minutes time frame. Guys, as always, choosing the asset and the time frame is totally up to you. But remember that the higher the time frame, the more accurate analysis. Now, let me show you how to open a long position using an ascending triangle. Okay guys, here we go. First thing you have to know about an ascending triangle chart pattern is that it is a bullish sign and it is a continuation pattern, which means an uptrend will enter the pattern and an uptrend will exit. Now, we have to find two highs. This is the first one and this is the second one. Then we connect these two highs with a trend line and we continue this trend to use it afterwards. Guys, as you notice, this trend line is a horizontal line and it will be used as a level of resistance. Second step, we have to find two lows. This is the first one and this is the second one. Guys, pay attention. The second low should be higher than the first one. Okay, then again we connect these two lows with a trend line and I'm gonna continue this to use it afterwards. Okay, all done. Guys, this is an ascending triangle and since an uptrend entered the pattern, we expect an uptrend to exit. Okay guys, whenever a candle can break this level of resistance, we expect a move to the upside. But how much? All you have to do is consider the distance between our resistance and our lowest low. Okay, let me bring it up here. All done. As you can see, we hit our target point in only two candles. That was everything you had to know about ascending triangle chart pattern. Now guys, before I show you how to open a short position using descending triangle, I have to ask you, if you have liked this video so far, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on that bell thing as well. Cheers! How to open a short position using a descending triangle. First thing you have to know is that this is a continuation pattern as well. So, a downtrend enters and a downtrend will exit. First, we have to find two lows, okay? Then we connect these two lows with a trend line and I will continue this trend line in order to use it afterwards. Guys, as you notice, this trend line is a horizontal line and it will be used as a support level. Now, second step, we have to find two highs. Okay, guys, pay attention. Our second high is lower than the first one. Okay, we will connect these two with the trend line as well. And I'm gonna continue this trend. This is our descending triangle. And since a downtrend enters this pattern, a downtrend will exit. Whenever we had a candle which broke this level of support, we expect the price to have a move to the downside. But how much? All we have to do is consider the distance between the highest high and this level of support. Okay, let me bring it down here. Guys, as you can see, it hit our target point perfectly. That was literally everything you had to know about these two patterns. Thank you so much for watching us. Stay safe and remember, you are
the coin magnet.
Peace.